In this video, I'll guide you through how to BCC in Gmail. We'll go step by step so you know exactly where to click while you're doing it and how to avoid common mistakes. By the end, you'll be able to confidently send emails where some recipients are hidden from others using Gmail's built-in BCC feature. Let's start from the very beginning with writing a new email. First, open Gmail in your browser and sign in if you haven't already. At the top left of the Gmail interface, you'll see a button labeled Compose. Go ahead and click Compose. This opens a new message window, usually in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where you'll set up everything: who you're emailing, what you're saying, and who you want to BCC. Next, you'll want to add your main recipient. In the To field at the top of the new message window, type the email address of the primary person or people you're writing to. This is who the email is directly addressed to, and everyone on the email can see these addresses. If you're sending to more than one visible recipient, you can separate each email address with a comma or press enter after each one. It's usually best to only put people here who need to be clearly included in the conversation. Now it's time to turn on the BCC option. Right next to the To field, you should see small text links labeled CC and BCC. If you don't see BCC right away, click the CC BCC area and the BCC line will appear underneath. Click BCC and Gmail will add a new line labeled BCC under the To field. This is where you'll put the email addresses of people you want to include in the email but keep hidden from everyone else on the message. With the BCC field now visible, add your BCC recipients. Click into the BCC field and type each email address you want to copy privately. Just like with the main recipients, separate each address with a comma or press enter after each one. The key thing to remember is that anyone listed in BCC will receive the email, but their addresses will not be visible to anyone else, including other BCC recipients. This is especially helpful when you're emailing a group that doesn't know each other, or when you want to protect people's privacy and avoid sharing their contact information with others. Before you send, take a quick moment to double check everything. Make sure the To field has the people you want to clearly address, and the BCC field has the people you want to keep hidden. Then add your subject line and write your email message as you normally would. Reading over the recipients one last time can help prevent accidentally putting someone in the wrong field. Once everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. Click the send button at the bottom of the Compose window. Gmail will send your message to everyone listed in both the To and BCC fields. The primary recipients will see each other, but they won't see any of the BCC addresses, and the BCC recipients will receive the email quietly in the background. That's all there is to it. By clicking Compose, entering your main recipient, opening the BCC field, adding your hidden recipients, and then clicking Send, you can easily manage who sees what in your Gmail emails while keeping people's contact details private.